Hello, Woody here, and yes, the power went off, so, okay, so the power went back on, and, yes, we're still under tornado warning, but, where's everyone in here? Hello, somebody, hey, who's that right there? Oh, hi there, what are you doing? I'm bored, is that, oh, say, are you the only one here? Yes, I'm the only one here, what are you doing? So, I didn't win the drawing either, so, wait a minute, we're the only two here? Yeah, we both didn't win the drawing. Actually, Yoshi, Koopa, everyone else just went, except me, but anyways, what do you want to do? Well, we're under a tornado warning, but we need to go check out the clouds. That sounds like a good idea. I'm gonna go check the clouds. So it's kind of like, still cloudy. We still have that tornado warning. Let's see who's around, besides us being Woody. Ooh, cool, but we can't drink it right now, but I'm going to put it away. Let's see, I love Coke. Where we put it? I'm going to put it right here in the bottom. Yeah, okay, now. What does this do? Since the power is back on, sirens are not sounding anymore, but, why don't we go watch some TV? Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm going. We get ready to watch some TV. I wonder what's there to watch. Ooh, I like this song. I like this song. Did the power just go out again? Oh no. I think the power just went off. Oh no. What am I going to do? Oh, the power just came back on. Yeah, the storm must be really bad. But, anyways. I miss my friends. They're in Wuhu Island. I tried to win, but I couldn't win. I wonder if I could speak to them over the phone. Maybe something like that? I don't know, but I want to try to call my friends. See how they're doing. Well, I need to go grab the phone. Okay, so I'm going to call my friends. I think I'll call Shaymin. Let me just dial in the number. Okay, now. Okay, so my friends missed me, and sorry, but as I said earlier, I lied. Shaymin's my real girlfriend, so yeah, I don't know what to say, but oh shoot, the sirens be going off again. Where to hide? Where to hide? Maybe I'll make this music stop playing the sirens. Let's see what to listen to. Yep, love this music. Now we can't hear the sirens. Boy, what do I do? Is there anything to do like around here? What happened to that blue guy with the wings on it? I don't know, but maybe find something to eat while the tornado is here. But I don't know, but I wonder when they'll ever come home, because I'm by myself along with that blue guy. I'm gonna go find something to eat. Anything in here? Wait, is that what the heck? Does that cook up? Oh, never mind, that's new coke. This is the old coke. Let me see what's there to eat. Ooh, strawberries. Another pack of strawberries. I'm gonna grab one. Wow, another kind of strawberry. I don't know why they keep on buying strawberries, but I love them. I guess I'm gonna go eat one. Wow, so good. Anyways, how about, I'm gonna go finish listening to the music. As you can see, I'm just here flipping through the radio and, beeping again. I gotta go turn on the news. I think I hear beeping.
We interrupt your program to bring you some weather news.
We have another tornado warning in our area and confirmed report of a spotted seeing a tornado on the ground.
So if
A tornado seems to be, like, heading near.
awesome toy plush land.
Oh no. So the news said there was a tornado on the ground. Yep, we had to go take shelter. I'm in danger. When will ever the tornado go off? But I don't hear any like sirens in my area. I just heard them like go off like a few minutes ago, and they're not sounding right now. But I gotta go take shelter right now.